Is this the best gold pay dirt you can purchase? If it's not, it's one of the best. It's Gold Bay. This is the number 3 bag. It has guaranteed 3 grams of gold, chunky gold in it. So a lot of bigger stuff, not the little finer material or gold pieces, flour gold. But there is some in there still, so it is, you know, still fun to try to get that little tiny fine gold out. So our first bag we got, I believe, is over 90% return on investment at 24 karat gold. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you the material we're gonna be working with, and I'll classify it down, get the magnetics out, and pan it on out and see what we got. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, we're back, and I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna open this up with my knife because, well, last time it was pain in the butt to open this up. I'm just gonna cut across it here. A little easier. I got a different container down here. I wanted to put this in just to get a little easier. Well, did a little cutting job there. I made a little bit more of a mess this time with the dirt. Hey, get all of it out. Go through all of it. Get that out of there. So this is what we're going to be working with. It looks pretty much the same. Now this stuff has like a lot of silt in it. So got a cool little stone there. I don't know if you can see it too good. There was several in the last one as well. I got them right here in this little container. Some cool little stones. Well, what are those called? God, I can't think of what they're called now. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Garnets maybe. But some cool little stones I thought were pretty interesting looking. But I'll throw that back in there. So that's what we're working with. But this stuff's really, really murky, so you're not going to be able to see into your water very, very well. But we'll pan this stuff out, check it out. Well, we'll classify it first, and then we'll get the magnetics out. But like I said, a lot. I was able to see a lot of the gold when I was classifying it. I mean, it's right there, you know, when I'm dumping them into the different classification dishes that I've got. Just really, really bigger pieces of gold that you could see. So that's that part, and I'll go on and classify this stuff out and show you the different classifications of it. So it's been classified now. This is your plus 16. It takes about 1.5 of those. This is your minus 16 plus 30. This is your minus 30 plus 50. This is your minus 50 plus 100. And then this is your minus 100. So that's it, broken down into its different classifications. Now I'm going to go on and go through and pull the magnetics out, starting with the plus 16. I just wanted to show you guys this. This is the only the plus 16 here. We got some pretty big ones in there. I've even got one that's got like some rock and gold wrapped around it. So it's Looking to be a pretty good bag of pay dirt. This being the second bag of the Gold Bay. And like I said, this is all the plus 16 gold. So I still got everything else left. 4 more different classifications to go through. And we'll see what we got. So it's been about 5 hours since I started going through this first bag, from pretty much opening it up and classifying it and getting the magnetics out and then panning it. Now I have to let it dry. Yeah, you can take a blow dryer and you know, gently blow on it and get it to dry out quicker, but I'll just probably let it sit for several hours since it's pretty late now. But I wanted to make sure I told you what the spot price is at this time. It's $1,313.40. Yeah, it's $13.40. So that's the spot price we'll be using when we go through this and weigh it out, and then figure out the return on investment. We'll be using $1,313.40. This is the gold that we found in the second bag of the Gold Bay Pay Dirt. I want to show you this one piece that's a pretty nice size piece here. And that was just one of the bigger ones. That's probably the biggest one. We're going to weigh it real quick by itself. 0.253. So that's a quarter of a gram all by itself, a little over a quarter of a gram all by itself, which is good. Alright, I'm going to tear this out real quick, and then we're going to put this gold in there. Tear it to 0. Of course, I keep bumping that. I always have another container that I put this in, and then I always use my little paintbrush. A makeup brush might work well too if you're still one of your girlfriends or your wives. But throw that on the scale. 3.028, which is over 3 grams, which this bag is guaranteed to have over 3 grams of gold, and it does again, so that's awesome. We'll figure out how much that gold's worth, and sorry, I put my hand on the table, so it's, the numbers are going haywire right now, but we'll see how much that's worth and give you a return on investment for it. Alright, so we're in United States dollars. That's 1313.40, $1,313.40 is the gold spot price. And we are weighing this in grams. 24 karat gold, or 90.9999% pure. We're going to enter in 3.028, which is the amount of gold that we actually found in that bag of pay dirt. And that gives us $127.86. So we're going to go over to the calculator. We plug in 127.86, and then we divide that by 141.60. And that gives us 90.3% return on investment for this the second bag of Gold Bay Pay Dirt, which is pretty good.